To all of you. Now I am going to solve questions of exercise 1.3. Now question number 1 is prove that under root 5 is irrational. Under root 5 is irrational. Here you have to mind here that every real number is the collection of rational and irrational. Every real number is the collection of the rational and irrational. If any number is not rational, so that must be rational. If any number is irrational, is not irrational, that will be rational. Only they can be in two. They may be in rational number or in irrational number. So here under root 5 is irrational. So if possible, let root 5 be rational, which simplest form is all b a by b, where a and b are integers and b not equal to 0. Simplest form a by b means simplest form in a by b means a by b means a and b have no any common factors except one, other than one. Other than one, a and b must have only one as a factor, common factor. There should not be any other factor other than one. This is the basic principle of this rational number. Now, if root 5, this implies a by b is equal to root 5. That is rational. A by b is rational. Then a is equal to root 5 b. Squaring both sides, a square is equal to 5b square. A square is equal to 5b square. This is equal to 5 into b square means 5 is a factor. 5 is a factor of this total. If 5 is factor of this total, then 5 will be the factor of a square also. This implies 5 divides from here. If 5 a square is 5 into something, it means it is 5 is a factor of this total value, then it will be the factor of this also, because these two are equals. The 5 divides a square from here. This implies 5 divides a also. Because if according to theorem, if 5 divides a square, then it implies that 5 will also divide its square root, that is 5 divides a also. It means 5 is 5 is a factor of a. Now from above we see that 5 is a factor of a. This implies let a is equal to 5c, where c is any integer. C is any integer. It is 5. 5 is a factor of a. It must be 5. When 5 is multiplied by some integer, it will give the value of a. It means there is some other value also which is multiplied by 5. So 5 is a factor. This let a is equal to 5c. So putting the value of this in equation this in 1. Putting a is equal to 5c in equation first. 5c is equal to root 5b. Here putting the value of a is equal to 5c here, a barabar 5c, a is equal to 5c here. Then now squaring both sides. Here 25c square is equal to 5b square, or 25 by 5 c square बराबर b square. Here 5 b square is equal to 5 c square. From here b square 5 square, it means 5. This implies 5 divides b square. If 5 divides b square, if 5 divides b square, then 5 will divide b also. This implies 5 is a factor of b. Above we have found that 5 is a factor of a and b both, which is contradiction, which contradicts that the assumption of that a by b is a simplest form. This here 5 is a factor of b. 5 is a factor of, we have already know that 5 is a factor of a and the 5 is a factor of b. So from above we have found that that 5 is a factor of a and b both. Our presumption is a and b have no any factor. This contradicts the assumption. This implies is not rational. This implies root 5 is not rational. So root 5 is irrational. Question. Prove that 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Prove that 3 plus rational. We know that 3 is also a rational. Subtracting 3, we find 3 plus 2 root 5 minus 3 is equal to 2 root 5. 2 root 5, that is rational, because difference of any two rational numbers is also irrational. Difference is also null. So this difference is also rational. This implies 2 root 5 when multiplied by 1 by 2, where 1 by 2 is a rational number. Multiply this by 1 by 2, it will give root 2, it will give root 5, it will be rational. When any rational number is multiplied by rational number, it will be rational. Multiplication is multiplication of two rational number is also irrational. This is rational. When multiplied with this rational number, it will give the value rational. This value will come root 5. This is rational. This is rational. From our assumption, here root 5 is rational. Root 5 is irrational. Root 5 is irrational. From this we have found that root 5 is a rational. But actually root 5 is irrational. So our assumption that 3 plus 2 root 5 is rational totally wrong. Found totally wrong. So this is irrational. So 3 plus 2 root 5 is irrational. Thank you.